Episode 3, Prologue, Part 3. I posted the menu in the group just before dinner. Appetizers, fish fry, chicken chop, salad. Main course, shukto, moong dal with cauliflower, fried potatoes, aloo bhaja, zucchini with poppy seed paste, zucchini posto, bottle gourd with shrimp, lau chingri, catfish curry, magur rosha, hilsa in mustard sauce, shoshe ilish, chicken korma, tangy taro stock curry, kochu tok, mango chutney, amit chutney. Desserts, sweet yogurt, mishti doi, cottage cheese jalebi, chanar jilipi, kheer cham-cham. That joyful evening was full of laughter and cheer. Two elderly aunts came. One of them is 80 years old. They usually don't like going out, but both of them came to us with so much love and blessings. At our age, it's rare to find someone we can still bow down to touch their feet in reverence. The heart felt full in every way.